Hi! I braided my hair and somehow I feel like I noticed. So please, just pardon behavior. Anyway, I made the braids from scratch using the tutorial from Loveth Speaks. That tutorial will be in the description. I'm kind of feeling myself, as you can see, having full-on photo shoot and all these things. Alright, so I did use 2 packs of expression braid. Took small pieces, wrapped it around the barbecue sticks, and put it in hot water for like 10 minutes. You really only need to do it for 1 minute, but I just left it and went about my business and allowed them to dry for just about 15 to 30 minutes. And the reason for that is after letting them dry overnight and unraveling them, what you'll find is they unravel and they get too twisted and you might end up losing a few pieces. So my recommendation is take them off while they're still damp / wet, because that way you'll unravel them more easily and you'll avoid a lot of tangling and you'll save more of the hair that comes out. I followed everything she did and it took me a number of days to finish, but I was in no rush. You can easily do it in 1 day if you do it all at once, but I didn't, so it took me some time, but here we are. Now I have this stuff for, I'm sure it's gonna be at least a month before I take it out. It's been about a week so far and I love it. Side, and the good thing is you don't have to have it in any set side parts. Based on how you part it, you can use this part or that part, or no definition, you just put it up however you want. So yeah, make it versatile. Alright, you can do a side sweep like this, but I haven't quite figured it out as yet. But you could do a nice one side sweep, or you could put it in a band. Yes. Nice bun. And this is most likely how I will actually leave the house, taking out these fandangles. Yeah, yes sir. And just having a nice bun. Maybe I'll put in some knobs. But yeah, I love it. You should try it. Save yourself some coins. Get creative. Do your own hair, man. Promise you won't regret it. Yes, a few other rubber bands have broken. So all you do is put back some rubber bands if you feel like you really want to secure the hair. But about 4 have busted on me and I have not put any rubber bands in place. So I think this weekend I'll wash it and then I'll reinforce some of the rubber bands. Yeah. And get it for another 2 weeks. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope it inspired you to do your own hair and to try something new and enjoy your last days of summer. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Joe Rastafari.
It just means that you're special. You're one of a kind. One of a kind. One of a kind.